Hello everyone, welcome to Vidyanta Institute. In last class, we have learned how to talk in Hindi whenever we meet with someone. And in today's class, we will learn how to introduce ourselves in Hindi. Let's see. In English, whenever you have to introduce yourself, then you say your name. For example, I'm Pooja. Then in English, I introduce myself as I am Pooja. And the same sentence, if I have to say in Hindi, then I will say, मैं पूजा हूँ. Suppose your name is John or Mary, then you will say, मैं John हूँ. मैं John हूँ. Here, मैं means I, John, your name, and who means am. मैं John हूँ. The sentence pattern goes like this: मैं, your name, and then हूँ. मैं John हूँ. And then if you are from Germany, then you will say, then in English you say, I'm from Germany. And the same sentence, if you have to say in Hindi, then you will say, मैं जर्मनी से हूँ. मैं जर्मनी से हूँ. मैं जर्मनी से हूँ. Sentence pattern goes like this: मैं, name of your country, say, and then हूँ. Here, मैं means I, and again Germany is the name of country, and say means from, and who means am. मैं जर्मनी से हूँ. So if you have to introduce yourself, then you have to tell your name and from which country do you belong. And suppose if you have to ask someone's name, then in English you say, what is your name? And the same sentence we say in Hindi, आपका नाम क्या है? आपका नाम क्या है? आपका नाम क्या है? आपका means your, नाम means name, क्या means what, and है means are. आपका नाम क्या है? And the person with whom you are asking, he will give you reply, मेरा नाम John है. If someone's name is John, then he will say, मेरा नाम John है. For example, if someone asks my name, then I will say, मेरा नाम पूजा है. And the sentence pattern goes like this: मेरा नाम, your name, and then है. मेरा नाम पूजा है. In this way. And suppose if you have to ask anyone's profession, then in English you say, what is your profession? And the same sentence we say in Hindi, आप क्या करते हैं? आप क्या करते हैं? आप क्या करते हैं? Here, आप means you, क्या means what, करते means do, and है means are. आप क्या करते हैं? So in today's class, we have learned how to introduce yourself in Hindi. And in next class, we will learn some greetings in Hindi. If till now you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it now for more videos.
Thank you.
Thank you.